I'm Judy, a customer from Sweden purchased 40 pieces of outdoor rental transmittance LED display. So let's go and have a look. Go, go, go.
Outdoor 1000 TOR transparent LED screen intended for the rental market. With light transmittance is up to 65%, which greatly reduces wind resistance, has a better cooling effect, and does not affect the field of vision. The standard size of EA1000 TOR cabinet size is 500 by 1000 mm, and 500 by 500 mm cabinet is also available. This can be flexibly connected at right angles and seamlessly integrated with the 1000 by 500 mm cabinet, allowing for easy creation of a square color screen and a variety of configurations. This transparent LED screen comes standard with the high-precision curved lock design, which can solve usability issues of traditional curved locks. It offers more accurate rotation control, is easy to use, and allows for quick curve adjustments. The EA1000 TOR series transparent rental LED screen also features high waterproof performance with IP65 rating. It can withstand harsh weather conditions during outdoor events, ensuring stable operation in various outdoor environments. EA1000 TOR series transparent rental LED screen supports multiple installation methods, including stacking, hanging, and fixed installation, and it's widely used in various scenes.